Hello and welcome back to Nathan's Garage. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And in this one, why don't you hit the subscribe and the like to show Range Industries how much you appreciate their support of this build, because I'm quite sure they'd be very happy of that. So this is an unboxing today. And as I say, these products are from a company called Range Industries, which I've been really wanting to work with for a while because they make some really cool stuff. And they make them for Rivian, Ford, Chevy, GMC, Toyota, Jeep, and Datsun. Okay, so this is a kit to fit an electric Mustang S550 steering rack to a Crown Vic front subframe. And there's lots of bits, and don't know what half of them do, but they're all really cool. Okay, and this is legit an unboxing. Like, it's not like I opened it before and I'm now opening it again. I literally have not seen these bits before now. This is the main bit. I know this is the main bit. So that is the bit that bolts to the Crown Vic front subframe, and then the steering rack then bolts to this. So there's that. It's so nice. It's just so nice. I'm gonna have to clean up the Crown Vic front end so much. And then hardware, I don't know what they are. I'm very intrigued by these multicolored plastic jobbies. So there's one for each side, which I'm assuming is something to do with the track rods, but I will definitely go into those details and find out what they're for. So we got zip tie boot zip ties, and inner track rods. And I think these are modified in some way to do the crossover between the Mustang rack and the Crown Vic outer ball joints. And then this is the connector and electrics kit for the electric wires that are going to power the rack, because a lot of the time when you buy like a second-hand rack from a Breakers or something like that, you don't get the wiring. So this is really, really important. Don't forget to get that when you get it. It's so shiny. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So that's that. Okay, so that is the first thing. They sent me two. I wanted two. This one is awesome because it's going to clean up the footwell of the truck so much. One thing that's really an eyesore in footwells for me is e-brake, actuators, levers, pedals, and this is going to get rid of it, because what this does is, to the Crown Vic axle fits, I think it's the newest style rear wheel drive Ford Explorer, which I think is like a 21 onwards. It fits their rear calipers to the Crown Vic axle, because in those calipers contains an e-brake. So it's an electric e-brake, and these are the brackets to make that happen. It's so cool. It's so cool. It's so pretty. And I'm pretty sure, remembering what I read from the actual website, that the caliper position on pre-2002 and post-2003 Crown Vics are in different places, and this covers both. So it covers a huge range of Crown Vic axle years. So those are the brackets, and this looks like, ooh, we got switches and all sorts of electricery, connectors and hardware. Awesome, 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 awesome. That is so cool. Wow, these products really are amazing. They are just as good as I knew they were going to be. Again, a special thanks to Range Industries. Their website is range-industries.com. Thank you so much to Vagar for replying so quickly having watched the channel, being aware of the channel, and partnering on this build. So please, everybody, do go to their social media. They've got Facebook, they've got Instagram, and click onto their website and see what they sell. Yep. Thanks so much.